Brittany with WTI, and if you need to get some landscaping done,
then you have to try this cordless hedge trimmer by Neuradical. It comes with 2 different blades, batteries, safety glasses, everything you need to get the job done. It comes with 2 21-volt batteries. It has a light indicator to tell you when it's done. It has a safety feature. Press 2 buttons and that's what turns on the trimmers. It was so helpful cutting through very thick flowers, and when you're wanting to change out the blade, if you want to be more specific in where you're cutting, it has the short blade, which is great for trimming pathways, getting up grass. And my favorite feature is the extension pole. You just plug it in to whichever blade you're using, put the battery at the end. You can adjust it to any angle. And again, the pole has the safety feature of 2-button press. So now you can stand and cut down any hedges, flower beds for prepping for winter. If you need to, again, change the angle to get to the other side. And because of that 2-button press feature, you don't have to be worried about clearing out debris. It is very easy to change out the battery, and you can even adjust the actual trimmer. It can make it to have complete comfort. Again, if you're changing out the other blade, this is great for if you're wanting to avoid any water lines or not trim everything. It allows you to be more exact with your trimming. It just was so nice. And then the blades on the inside, you can easily oil up with WD-40 so that it can work as long and as hard as you need to on a job. I absolutely loved it. It comes with covers, and you can even take apart the pole for easy transportation and storage.
it just really gave me so much mobility and the versatility to get a lot done in one job. And that's my point of view.